Here's some Pan-Slavism trivia. Subscribe. Which ideology advocates for Slavic unity? Is it A, Westernism, B, Pan-Slavism, C, Balkanism, or D, National Socialism? The correct answer is B, Pan-Slavism. What term describes cultural revival in the Slavic world? Is it A, Balkan nationalism, B, Soviet realism, C, Slavophilism, or D, Pan-Slavism? The correct answer is C, Slavophilism. Which conference first discussed Pan-Slavism? Is it A, Warsaw Cultural Conference, B, Prague Slavic Congress, C, Vienna Slavic Forum, or D, Moscow Slavic Summit? The correct answer is B, Prague Slavic Congress. What empire's policies prompted Pan-Slavic sentiment? Is it A, Austro-Hungarian Empire, B, Ottoman Empire, C, British Empire, or D, Russian Empire? The correct answer is A, Austro-Hungarian Empire. Which Slavic group is known for its westward migration? Is it A, Northern Slavs, B, Eastern Slavs, C, Southern Slavs, or D, Western Slavs? The correct answer is D, Western Slavs. Which city hosted the first Pan-Slavic Congress? Is it A, Zagreb, B, Budapest, C, Prague, or D, Warsaw? The correct answer is C, Prague. Which country was the birthplace of Pan-Slavism? Is it A, Serbia, B, Russia, C, Czech Republic, or D, Poland? The correct answer is C, Czech Republic. Which major language is spoken by East Slavic people? Is it A, Bulgarian, B, Ukrainian, C, Russian, or D, Polish? The correct answer is C, Russian. Which historical figure wrote about Slavic unity? Is it A, 1865, B, Nikolai Danilevsky, C, Ivan Turgenev, or D, Leo Tolstoy? The correct answer is B, Nikolai Danilevsky. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.